Hello friends, in this video I would show you how to install MySQL Workbench. So google.com and then simply type MySQL Workbench. So click on that link and then there are a lot of links which you encounter here. Dev MySQL. So I'll just click dev dot and you end up on this MySQL community downloads. Okay, so here once you land up on this page, click on go to download page. Okay, now you see two versions: Windows MSI installer 8632-bit and also MS installer. So 439.6, avoid that, go to 2.3 MB. Okay, and then click on download and it asks for a login or sign up. You don't have to do anything. Click on no thanks, just start my download. So once the download is done, it hardly takes few seconds, so it will install. So it has started installing, and then it will ask couple of times whether you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click on yes, and then there you go, and then the installation has started. And then here there are a couple of options: developer, default, server only, client only. I'll check full. Okay, so full, next. Click on yes and then execute. So if you look at this, the progress is there. So once everything is done, then we can proceed. All the products have been downloaded, and now we just have to click on the next and then execute. So the installation will start for each and every product. Okay, now all the products are installed. Then we'll move to the next part, and then there is a ready to configure everything. Click on next, and here development computer, all that, TCP IP port number is 3306, and click on next, and then we click on next. So it is asking for a password here, so we'll just enter a password which is admin and admin, ADMIN and ADMIN. So it says weak, that's all right, but we'll keep that admin as password, and then next, standard account, next, and then execute. Okay, now applying configuration and everything is done, and then click on finish, and then still it is asking for more. Next, bootstrap MySQL router, just click on finish, and the password, and then I'll just put as admin, check, connection succeeded. So this is what is the check you have to do with the password, and then click on next and then execute. so it will run some scripts and all. So your MySQL installer is ready with a password which is admin. And this is done now, running scripts, and then click on finish. Still it is asking for a few more. Start workbench, so this is by default, you don't have to do anything. Finish, and you have an exe from that. So once it is done, so simply go to your all programs, and then you can find MySQL new, and then find your MySQL Workbench 8.0 CE, and then simply click on that. Okay, so this is where we have come, and then click on this. It will ask for a password, and then we have the password admin. Save it in the vault. Okay, click, and it will authenticate. I think it is through, it has gone inside. This is what you have to get it. Thank you for watching the video.